Hi, I'm Ecophage, and today I'm going to show you how to install a swamp cooler.
Ecophage and Lil Swampy the cooler. Ham around the cam and Ferris Bueller. Handmade in the USA. Supplies are limited, so get used today.
It's really pretty easy. The first step is to roll down the window a couple inches. Now these swamp coolers have a channel on the bottom, and that channel locks right onto the window. You do it carefully. And then you roll the window up and make sure this top bar here goes into the window felt channel where the window would have originally touched. And that's how the swamp coolers were all held in place originally. I've since added a bracket, which are these tabs, which can be folded around the edge of the door so that when the door is shut, the swamp cooler is locked into place. After that is installed, you can then loosen this nut. Then you just go ahead and tighten this down. And with those two brackets tightened, the swamp cooler stays stuck to the window. Look, the swamp cooler doesn't stick out any further than the mirror, but I still can imagine this clipping someone, so be careful when you get yours on. As you can see, this swamp cooler's on there good. I've been building these swamp coolers for a long time, and I've had them fit dozens and dozens of vehicles. From German Beetles to American Fords. They fit basically everything with about a 19x2 window, and can be made custom to fit any window. If you're a swamp cooler fan, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I do a lot of swamp cooler stuff. Check out my other swamp cooler videos down here. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, the links are in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time.